Hello and welcome back to Carrow Road. It's only been a few days since we beat Plymouth 6-1. Yes, we absolutely floored them 6-1, and that included a second hat-trick for Borja in this season. Now, today we've got Luton. They're always a bit of a tricky team for us, I think, especially when I still have memories of that 2013 FA Cup defeat, 1-0 to them, when they were in non-league and we were in the Premier League. Absolutely embarrassing day. I'm hoping we win today. They're just below us. They're still trying to escape the relegation zone. We are sort of in between the playoffs, but let's get a win, shall we? Now, you guys think we are going to win comfortably, or at least a narrow win. Yes. Please remember to hit that thumbs up for the like, and subscribe if you're new. Let's just go in, shall we? Right, we're in, guys. Look at this. Got something special today. This is a very limited edition turkey and cranberry pie. Very festive. Let's have a taste, shall we? So this is the contents of the pie. It's all right, not too bad. It's a piglet's pie. Yeah, not too bad. You can try it out for Christmas, guys. Come on, when you come to Carrow Road. So, good news and bad news, guys. Bad news, Liam Gibbs is out for 10 weeks. He's injured. Good news, Nunes is back. And also, I've just been handed this. So, when I was at Ely a few months ago, I couldn't get this pin badge because it was sold out. But thank you to Norwich News, one of our viewers. Thank you. Very kind of you. Yes, I guess this is my Christmas present. Thank you very much. Tim Crew, he's back. Here we go. Norwich Luton. This is the closest we've got to an East Anglian derby this year. Look how many there are. The Luton fans. Come on, you hat, it just says. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kick it off! Forward it! Over little scrimmage! Hit it low! Splendid rush! Bravo, win or die! On the ball, silly! Never mind the danger, Sion. Now's your chance, Oscar City! Come on then. Here we go then! Yeah, just sitting there. Oh! Well done, Doyle! Oh God, no! Oh, thank God! Come on, this is a bit worrying. Get it? Yes, well done, gun. Oh, what a mistake! We just made a horrible mistake. Basically past the keeper, but they missed. Ended up them collecting it and scoring it. Christ almighty. Terrible defending. Terrible pass from the keeper. Oh. Look at them. Come on, get it. Oh! Oh, come on! Yeah! 1-1! They're all quiet now! Our turn to make some noise. There's the goal then. Boom. Go on, go on! Go on, sides! Oh. It actually caught a map in there. I missed it, caught me as well. I missed it. There you go. So this was Sanach's second goal. Lovely little goal. What a tackle! What a tackle! Uh-oh. Come on, get him. Yeah, well done, Gun. Yellows. Go on, get him. Oh my. 2 minutes added. Half time, guys. 2-1 to Norwich. Did a bit of a mistake, but made up for it, thank God. And we deserved the lead, I think. Second half coming. Right, here we go then, second half. Luton already made a substitution. Wonder how much that'll help them. Hopefully not much. Here we go then. Bloody 2-2. Oh, God's sake. 48th minute. Not long after the kick-off for the second half. Ah, dear. Go on. Okay. Jesus Christ. Here he comes then. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Hey! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Listen to that. Need a win. Oh my God, so bad. Yes. Yes, come on. Oh, what a ball. Oh, for God's sake. Linesman says it's offside. Oh, come on, you! Yeah! Oh, for Christ's sake! Oh, look who's here! Romani off. And go on now. Oh my God, yeah! Game over really now. I said 4-2, guys. I said 4-2. Let's go. This has got to be it, guys. Last minute, last few seconds of the added 4. Hey, and that's it. Yes! I knew it. I called it, guys. 4-2. I said so at the stream. Oh, come on! Well, guys, I was a bit nervous there. I thought, oh God, here we go again against Luton. But thank God we came through in the end. Good to see Nunez again. Oh, and O'Neill did really well as well today when he came on. And Sands, another goal to the list. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, get me to 200 subscribers, would you? And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.